Have you ever wondered why your free games has more ads than your mom's Facebook timeline? Or why your phone starts to move slow after just 1 year? Well, you are not crazy. And it's not like tech being tech. It is business, strategy, psychology, and straight up manipulation. Welcome to the new tech series, Tech Things Nobody Tells You, where we break down things companies don't want you thinking about. No jargons, no boring tutorials, just real answers, fun energy, and pure vibe. So if you ever wondered why this free gaming app is tracking your location, why your phone moves from iPhone to iSlow, then hit the subscribe button because we're about to make you smarter than your iPhone. So I've been playing a lot of games for a couple years now. Example is the eFootball, and I've been wondering, where do these people or these game developers get their money from? Because personally, I don't buy anything, I don't give anything to the game, I just enjoy it and all that. And making a game, to make a game, it entails a lot, all the 3D designs, all the programming in C++. And if you don't know, C++ is the programming language that they use to what? Program games. And I've been wondering, how do these people make money? If you want to know, stick around, stick with me. Let's discover it together. The first one is in-app purchase. So what these developers do is that, sometimes when you are playing the game, you'll be enjoying the game. Mostly when you start playing the game, right, you'll be enjoying the game, level 1, all that. But then you start to level up, right? The game start to move forward. And then you see that the opponents that you are playing with, they become more stronger and all that. Example is the BB racing. When you are playing the level 1, fast, you can outrace all of them and then you will win. But when you get to the different levels, right, and then the other players become more stronger and all that. So you need to level up your vehicle, or you need to level up your player and all that. And to do so, you need coins, you need gems, or maybe sometimes diamonds, right? And if you have not been playing the game for a longer time, you need to buy those coins with what? Real money. Also, when you are playing online games, something like soccer and all that, mostly what the developers do is that they match you with people that has more, power, or more players, and for the soccer, more players with more strength over you. So, they will be scoring you with that players like Maradona and all that they have. They will be playing you, they will be scoring you and all that. So you get this feeling like, okay, what if me too, I go and buy all those players, Maradona and all that? You need money to buy them. By doing this, the games, they have their money. Another way that these gaming apps people, that the developers make their money is through brand deals. So they collaborate with other brands so that they can, promote their businesses in their games and all that. Typical example is the La Liga and the EA Sports, right? But through the brand deals, both parties, just enjoy. They get to promote La Liga. La Liga too get to promote EA Sports, just 50-50-10 and all that. And through these brands, they tend to, promote the other companies' products in their gaming through ads. And talking about ads, this is one of the major ways that developers make their money. And through the brand deals and all that, developers tend to, show you the ads from that companies that they have the deal with. So what they do is that they will track how you play, what makes you stay in the game, what you nearly bought in the game and all that. And they also track your location. And this is to show you local and urgent ads. That's why sometimes you get specific ads. Like when you are in Ghana here, they will not show you an ad that is from a brand deal that is based in America, right? They will show you a company that was based in Ghana. And all this is to let you click, because when you see an ad from America, the probability that you will click is very low, right? But from Ghana, you might click. And when you click, they get money from that. Sometimes they tend to gift you, coins and gems and diamonds and all that, just for you to watch their ads. Here's why. When you watch their ads, you will click on them and you watch it, you make some impression. Or sometimes you have to wait for like 20 seconds, 15 seconds for the ads to, finish. By so doing, they get their money through cost per impression, cost per click, and cost per view. So for every click, for every impression that you do on the ads that they show you, they get their money. Now, let's talk about why your phone start to slow down. The first one is software update. Software like WhatsApp, TikTok, Facebook, maybe Instagram, they require you to update their software every time so that they can add new features, right? Example, WhatsApp, now you can add music to your status and all that. And as you update your software and they add new things, the software becomes heavier, but the hardware, that is your phone, stays the same. Just like putting a heavy object in a truck. Though the truck will move, but it will move slow. The next one is battery performance. So as your smartphone ages, what the companies they've done is that your phone tends to slow down so that it can work with the battery, so that the battery won't die early. So the phone slows down. This is called optimization. This one, I feel like you don't have any other options. Either your phone slows down or your battery dies early. Hoarding of apps and background tasks. This one has to do with the user yourself. You've got like 20 apps in the background running. Half of them you don't even use. Your storage is full of memes and blurry screenshots. I mean, your phone is just tired. Like, you see, the phone needs space, like storage, so that it can, run faster and all that. But if the storage is filled with all those memes and then the apps running in the background, the blurry screenshots, like it slows the phone down. It doesn't get the enough space to work with. Definitely your phone is going to slow down, but here are some quick fix for your phone to slow down slowly. So delete all the apps you are not using because your phone needs storage to work, right? And if you have all these softwares that you are not using, they are just taking up space and your phone don't get the enough space to work. Also, change your battery after every 2 years. When your phone ages, the battery becomes low and then the phone tends to slow down. So just change the battery, give your phone the battery with a higher life so that the phone tends to move fast and all that. And also clear your app cache. The app cache also takes a lot of space on your phone, right? So if you don't delete all of them, they're taking space, your phone moves slow. These are not magic words that I am saying. It is not magic. It helps. Try them. So there you have it. You now know why your phone moves from iPhone to iSlow, but then you can use the solutions that I suggested to prevent your phone from slowing faster. That you also know where exactly these developers get their money from, right? That this free gaming app is not free. If you like this video, comment and click on the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Peace.